I got some new doggies who, yeah, we're fostering them. And they're like three amigos, but with one girl. And I've decided to call one, that one right there, Honey, because she's so sweet. Or it's so sweet. Yeah, it's a girl. It doesn't have balls like the others. So I'll call that one Honey because it's just so sweet. And that one's Wyler because he gets all wild up. And there's Angel. Sorry, Angel is its name because it's so protecting of its other siblings. And they were abused by a child for about 3 months. And I feel so bad for them. And we're just fostering them. So, yeah. They really don't want to come up because I look and kind of smell like that child, even though I'm not probably that age. They're hanging out around that corner where we can't get to them. And yeah. Hey, doggies! And they all move in a little pack. Don't know if you can see them, they're kind of beigeish. Honey! Come here, doggos. They're coming. Hey, come here. I'm not gonna hurt ya. I'm not like the other owner. I'm really nice. And yeah, they're just the sweetest little things. They're moving down. No, it's okay, guys. They're coming down. Better start moving. We have quite a big backyard for our dogs. We actually have a lot of dogs we're fostering. The three amigas, and we're also fostering got the 3 dogs we just got. Don't know what they are, what species. Oh, one's taking a poop. Hey, Bodo, it's okay. Honey! Honey, come here. Oh, honey, don't. Yeah, as you can see on that one, they got bald spots from the abuser. Oh, it wants to play. Oh, they're all coming. I mean, they're so good. There goes that one.
I got my squeaky suit on.
These poor dogs are scared of us because we're a little bit younger. Addie! I once had another channel, but that's my dog Bear. He's not. We're not fostering him, he's ours. But yeah, all this and these poor dogs are, hopefully we're gonna get them to where they can come to us. Because the poor dogs were abused by a child. The poor things, you know? Hey, Bear. Bear, you don't get any. You already destroyed multiple toys.
You're not getting the one that you get the one that you have.
Bear. Bear. Don't go after them. Don't go after them. You already have Sandra. No. You're a good boy. Yeah. He's a good boy. Bear. What you doing?
Mom?
Oh, I think I'm going to end it off on Bear.